Well, hello everyone, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan Best. I'm here with DIY Aidan and Rubber Toe Maya. So today we are going to show you guys how we are installing a double French door security screen door. So we're using the Sentry security screen door for this product on these two double doors in this beautiful house right here in Palmdale, California. Okay, so before we get started though, why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And along the way, if you'd like to make any comments or have any questions, feel free to do so. And so I'm excited for this video. What about you guys?
Very excited.
Very excited?
Ready? Yep.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Take care.
Wow.
So just like the screen doors, right, these come with the side piece, which is the hinge. Can you show us the hinge? The hinge side, and then also the bottom piece, that bottom plate that's going to work for the bottom of the security screen door, as well as it comes with all the hardware and instructions included, and a door closer as well. And this here is a bug seal. Okay, if you want more of a detailed explanation of everything that's included, that comes with any other screen door that we've published. So check that out on other videos. Okay.
Okay, so what Robert's doing right now is he's measuring it so that he knows where to cut this. As you can see, it is
96.
96. Yeah. 8 feet.
95 3/4.
Yep.
Okay, so Robert's measuring the overall width, and he should have a max tape measure, which he doesn't, but I taught him better.
Come on, Robert. Hey, Robert.
Okay, what's the overall width?
71.
71
71
and a quarter. No.
71.
71?
It's not exactly
Okay.
71.
So what do? You take 71 divided by 2. What is that?
70 divided by 2.
It should be 35 and a half, right?
5.5, yeah.
Okay. So that's your center measurement. So go and you'll make a little dot. 35 and a half. And just your all or your okay, now we lent Rubber Toe a fat max tape measure. He's not having a problem now. So here we go.
You can get those at blindscreen.com.
Okay. No, you can buy it at Amazon. I'll put it. Cut like butter?
Yep.
And it clears the top and the bottom. Yay. All right.
That's how you do it.
Perfect. That's how you do it, right?
Yeah. That's good.
What do you think?
Mhm.
This guy an expert yet?
Maybe.
All right, let me put some up there.
Okay, so you're just doing one screw per hinge to check it again?
Yeah. I just want to double check.
So you can do the one on the bottom too?
Yeah, this is a A lot bigger, actually. So a little.
96 and a quarter, huh?
Yeah, 96 and a quarter.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
Wow, it's heavy.
You want to help him? Okay.
This is very heavy. You could use the holes. Hold on. Whoa.
It's easier to tilt. There you go.
That's how you do it.
Okay. So lift it up. There you go.
Oh, okay.
For now, just leave it. You don't have to really even screw it. Just
Where's the
close.
center?
Put it in the closed position.
That's the center right there.
Okay, so it'll be pulled out a little bit. Why don't we put the other door up first?
Yeah. Okay.
So let it just hang there. There you go.
Okay, good.
Looks pretty cool. Okay.
Second door, right?
Hold on.
We're gonna be like Skinner Screens, making screen magic.
Isn't that like one of our brands for like screen magic racer?
No, this is, yeah.
Got it? Up.
Up,
Push it.
push it in,
Knock on. There you go.
and close it.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that.
So right now, yeah, see, it's center. So we're gonna meet them in the center, and they're gonna come closer together. You see the gap at the top here. What we're gonna do is he's gonna push it up on both sides, so that way it's as close as he can to the top frame, and there's also gonna bring it in together to have a 3/16 of an inch space, not this big old 1 inch space here in the center. Okay, so how he's gonna do that is with with some very customized looking. What is that?
I don't know what they're called.
They look like jacks.
Yeah.
So I would center
They
it.
look like
They look,
jacks.
yeah, center it. I usually use wood wedges for these, so
Yeah.
but that's pretty cool. And Roberto and his
Gadgets.
I have my gadgets.
gadgets, man. Wow,
Nothing with that.
where'd you pick that up at?
It's like
Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Wow, how much were they?
I think they were like 40 bucks or 30 bucks.
Jack it up, jack.
I can't see it from
Okay, keep going. We'll tell you what.
keep going.
Keep going.
Oh,
We open the other door.
Oh, the door.
Oh,
It's okay.
not
No,
Deadbolt.
just go. Lift it up. Keep going.
Go on, Robert. You got it, Robert.
There.
Yeah, you're good. Perfect.
Let's look at this. So it's jacked it up. And looks very good at the top. Look at that.
Yeah, compared to the other one, you could
That's
tell.
like, yeah.
Blends in really well.
You lift it up. There you go. Jack underneath. Bring it out a little. Make sure it's not all the way back. There you go. Right there. Up. Looks good. Okay, so right now we only put 2 screws on each side just because we were checking everything, making sure everything's good. Now Robert's going to put all of the hinge screws back on and take his wonderful clamps off, see if, make sure nothing starts sagging or anything. There you go. Good, looks good. So you notice there is a gap in the center. What we do is we're going to want to average of about 3/16 of an inch gap in the center because we're going to put the French door kit on there, so that way they hold up together.
we finished putting all the screws into the hinges. Now we're gonna finish putting the screws on the frame because it hasn't moved and it still stays the same. So now we can continue with the self-tapping screws. Alright, so now what we're going to do is install the bottom right here. You see this gap right here? It's about ½ an inch gap, so that's what this is for. This is the bottom plate, and it also holds the weather stripping right here. So we'll put that weather stripping in later, but first we got to measure this. Need my dead blow. Alright. Okay, so just double checking. 33.5. So now we trim this. Alright, now that we've trimmed the bottom plate, it's gonna go here. We're gonna put the weather stripping on because it's kind of hard to put it on once you put the bottom plate on. So put it on here so we don't have to worry about that. I like to leave a little bit out so that it goes under here, right there. That way we got good coverage. I hear it rubbing. So I'll put this up a little bit. There we go. Maybe a little too high. Down a little bit. Just a tad bit. There we go. Right there. So the rest of this weather stripping go away. Just like that. Some nice scissors could do the trick. And that's it.
Well, everybody, it got dark on us because it's winter time, and this is an afternoon job, so we're still working, and we're putting the French door kit on. Okay, so we're gonna shoot.
I'm all the way back
around, and we're gonna shoot the French door kit being installed onto the double security screen doors. Okay. Okay, so what we did is attach the French door kit H bar here, just pushed it on really, and then if you open this door, this one's going to be fixed behind it, and then that one's going to go there like that. Okay, but first he has to attach some screws on the inside. What kind of screw are you using there, Robert?
Oh, this is a self-tapping.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Does its own job. Right. One on top, one at the bottom. Let's move this ladder.
Cool. So the handle was attached here, and this one is a functioning handle with a lock, right? And a key with it. But so with the lock, there's the. So now we're going to use. There'll be a key to open this as well, and it locks from the inside. But on the opposite side, if you see here, it's empty right now. So what we're going to do is he's going to add a fixed handle. It's exactly the same as this one, but it's not going to be functioning. It's just going to be fixed. So be sure before adding the H channel for the French door kit to attach the fixed handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to add, attach all the screws that we need to put this all together. Okay, what they did is they removed all of the mechanism hardware at this side, on this side, so that way it all attaches together. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it all the way. Screw. Go ahead and start. Two of us can do it. Just set that centered. It has to be centered. That's not centered. Are we done?
Yeah.
Wow, let's see it close.
The suspense is killing me.
Cool. It's awesome.
Yep. Looks good.
Good job, guys. Okay, guys, so this is how you install a double security screen door or a French door screen door with the Active brand Sentry, the Sentry security screen door. Okay, Robert and Aidan did an awesome job. I did most of the filming. So do us a favor and give that video a thumbs up, and we will definitely get you some more videos coming out soon. And thank you very much. Take care and God bless.
And we'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye. Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.